Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a video in Behance. So first of all, you need to come here on behance.net, then simply just log in into your Adobe account. Now over here on the home page, you just have to hover over to the top right hand corner, then click on the option of project. You can also first click on your profile icon and then click on the option of Behance portfolio. Now over here you can select the option of create a project. So this way you will be landed here on the project creation page, where among the given content uploading methods option, you just have to simply choose the file that you want to upload. So since you want to upload the video files, you just have to simply click on the option of video and audio. Then from your device, you need to select that particular file. Now Behance supports various types of formats, but the only thing that you need to remember is the video should not exceed the limit of 1 GB. So once the upload is completed, it is going to show you that your file has uploaded successfully and it is being converted into a web friendly format. So over here, simply click on the option of publish on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, you need to provide the title of your video. Then you can change the visibility of it. Then you can fill out all of these details, and here you need to also add the category. So among the given options, simply just fill out these details and click on the option of publish. Now for the GIF part, you can also click on the option of upload, and you can also upload a cover photo. So that's how you can basically insert the video in Behance. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.